Good morning, stream. My goodness, I'm rolling out the sleep for y'all. I still got the do-rag on. Still got it on because 360 the only wave. 360 is the only wave, y'all. Today, I gotta change the structure on these videos, guys. I have to. So right now, what I've been doing is market analysis on those three indexes on in the morning and at night. However, nothing really changes from the night before to the morning. And then also yesterday I took a hit, like a hard hit, because I based a trade off of pre-market and just didn't like everybody says, wait 30 minutes, wait an hour to make any trade. So definitely learned my lesson there. And I don't want to even skew myself at looking at futures, looking at pre-market of really anything that I'm personally trading. So today we're going to talk about Micron and Intel. Micron, like I'm on Reddit and I do Wall Street Bets. That's like the largest options subreddit on Reddit, and there's a lot of people who believe in Micron. A lot of people bought Micron on this rally up. So they had bought it like at 60 and was like, oh, I'm gonna buy some Micron calls for like at 90 or $80. They are completely screwed, y'all. Completely screwed. So I do feel bad for people who did get screwed over on that. Let me see, put my regular indicators on. Moving average and MACD. You guys, right now, the pre-market price is 41.78. As much as I say I don't look at pre-market, that's looking ugly, guys. We got a support right here. We had a support right here that broke. Hold on. Before I go back out, let's look at this. Let's look at this dump. Guys, when you see a dump and it breaks, and if it breaks the support with volume, that's not good, guys. So when I guess the market opened right on September 6th. September 6th, in 1 hour's time, guys. This is not funny, guys, but I'm laughing. It hit a high of $48 down to $44. I don't even know the percentage on that right off the top, guys, but that's scary. Imagine your portfolio. Imagine a call, bro. About 9% of your money gone. 9% of your money gone in an hour. It's scary stuff, guys. It's scary stuff. Just wanted to give y'all a better update. So this company was really affected by the dot-com bubble, and it has strongly declined ever since. So it was like around $91 was its peak, and then fell drastically to a $8, $9 range. So you're losing 90% of your money. And you see I drew some supports. That support that was right here also played a role right here back in 2001, and sort of right here back in 1995. Oh, guess what, guys? We have another place where we have a support. Recent support was recent resistance. Old resistance. You will most likely see this no matter how you play it. So when we say support and resistance levels, they are actually factual. Actually factual. So I'm gonna draw another one. I just imagine a whole free for all going on with Micron right here. So the support levels to look out for. So currently we broke this. I'm on the monthly, switching over to the weekly. We broke this this support level with high volume, guys. Not looking good. I don't know what it is about Micron. I think old money is definitely leaving this and probably going elsewhere for better gains. But sorry for the bag holders, guys. Sorry for the bag holders. I feel for y'all. So our next support, if we're talking old supports, old resistances, it'd be 39.49. Right now, it's trading pre-market at $41. I think, where was it? Yeah, I was on some technical analysis on this coin, and I mean on this not coin on this stock, and I was like, man, I think I'd buy a put at 46. But right now I'm in school, I'm doing a lot, and honestly, when I say this was an easy put for a lot of people, look at this. You draw your lines, right? Because that's what you do in technical analysis, just draw a bunch of lines and just guess at that point. But seriously, guys, if you see this bearish wick because it couldn't break up this downward trend, you buy an easy put. I mean, it's simple as that. Probably just out the money, and then you'd be so deep in the money if you would have bought your puts right here. Guys, watch out for these companies that are not trash, but going through tough times. They have a dead cat bounce up to their downward trend line. You buy the put immediately and profit like crazy. Profit like crazy, guys. Let's look at MU's pivot points. I sort of like using this because it can be just more than the support and resistance levels. You go down here, go to technicals, and usually you would use the Fibonacci. Ouch. Oh my gosh. So this is the I guess I could call it pivot or P. It's just kind of like the base of all of these. And right now it has fallen in pre-market below the last support level, guys. Free fall, free fall, free fall, free fall opportunity right here. SMH, guys, SMH. Folks not getting their money back if this doesn't bounce off this. So the next hope is 39.49. But what we gotta do, guys, we gotta buy that fear. I would place a small bet if it does fall down to 39.49. No reason to not buy fear. It has worked. Warren Buffett continues to say it. People were so fearful right here, so fearful. But guess what? It rallied back up. Just got to be careful out there. Stop losses already in place, like always. So yeah, MACD definitely sell signal and increasing. It had a little fake out the wrong way, guys. You don't want this kind of fake out. Back down to a strong negative histogram. You got your MACD just crossed. It's been declining ever since it hit that resistance. And the chart looks ugly, guys. The chart looks ugly. If you are on the hopium, if you believe in oversold bounces, gotta wait till we get a 25 RSI. RSI currently at 27. You got 2 points, guys. 2 points. Pre-market's looking like it'll open up right there at that 25. So it's bounce play opportunity. Let's look at that .com bubble to see what happened there whenever it was super oversold. Okay. Oh, it broke. It's possible that it breaks even below this, guys. That was just a recent support level as far as that 25 RSI, but it can go as low as 23, 19, 20. This stock doesn't care. This stock does not care if it's oversold. But yeah, guys, just watch out for 39.49 for the next support level. Watch out for an RSI bounce if you're into that right now. Currently, when it opens, this might be a buying opportunity if you're for those oversold scalpers. Next, we have Intel. Oops, gotta get these ads off these videos. Let's go to the 1 week and just see what happened. Was it affected by the .com bubble? Why, yes, it did. A lot of these companies, these old chip companies, computer companies, they were strongly affected by the .com bubble and have yet to surpass. Some have yet to surpass their old price. Wait, what the? Okay. Yeah, it was like probably around 75-ish. That was a tie. Now we've hit resistance, a new resistance right here. So it hit a resistance at 57 and has done bad ever since, guys. Like bad. Sharp rejection on that 58. And then that's pretty bearish right here, guys. On the week of August 6th, it hit the 20 EMA and acted as resistance. And you want your EMAs to act as support if you're bullish. Ooh, golly. And the reason why I'm so concerned about this Intel is because it's in the triple Q index as far as one of its top 10 holdings. I'm really kind of curious, like, okay guys, what's really going on? Because if this is bearish, then that QQQ gonna have puts. I'm gonna be probably buying puts because you have Facebook going through. They had a day cap bounce, but I feel like they have more room to fall. Google had issues with, I guess, hackers. That news might blow over, but just different things that's possible. And then the Apple hype after this announcement. I mean, unless we really do just want to FOMO for the entire month of September, this should have some downside Apple. And then once Apple falls, the entire tech market likes to react to that. So if we're looking at Fibonacci pivot points, we have $44 as another a Fibonacci support level. Currently, as far as drawing goes, I see right there as the next support. And when I was on StockTwits today, someone said 42.50 would be a good time to like place an order in. Should be due for a bounce right there. So with my line that I drew, because all we do is draw lines and guess at this point, we are looking to enter in at 42.50. 1, 2, 3 bounces. On this occasion, it actually fell through, but the bulls bought it back up, and it looks good because when those bulls bought it back up, it still continued a rise. So yeah, guys, if you're into these old grandfather companies, a good opportunity to load up 42.50, right under 43. If you're into those value stocks that you believe that's going to continue to stay open for quite some time. You did have that MACD cross. Then you have, again, what I don't like is the MACD fake out on the negative side. So it was bowing it decreased just a little bit on the histogram and then increased back up, meaning the selling intensified. Then you it's kind of easier to see on the RSI. We had a little bounce on the RSI, then have fell drastically afterwards. You can see, let's see that weekly. That weekly's pretty close, guys. Weekly here. Two chip companies that are, I guess, too old for the youth, too old for the new generation. So thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all found the entry points on these. Currently for micron, possibly $40, right at $40, or a little bit above that, $41.8, or yeah, $40, or if you want to dip right now and buy today, just go ahead and buy if you're into those value stocks. And then another support level next is $43 for Intel. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope y'all learned something.